Polycam has released their biggest update to date, and in this video I will go through the new features and give my recommendations for which ones you should be using to digitize buildings. Here is an overview of the new features' names and a short description of what they do. Object mode is good for exteriors. Here I'm using Gaussian splat as well as photogrammetry. Environment is used for the facades and the outdoor areas, and space mode for the interior as well as 3D floor plan mode. Based on the features description, I was not sure what the actual difference was between space and 3D floor plan, so I started by testing this. First I tested space mode by scanning the ground floor of this house. The user interface in space mode shows both the 3D mesh that we are used to from LiDAR mode as well as the lines that we are used to seeing when creating automated 3D floor plans using Apple's Room Plan API, or Room Mode as Polycam used to call it before this update. And once you're done with your scan, you get both the LiDAR mesh as well as the 3D floor plan where you can toggle furniture on and off. And here you can see the difference between the UI of the space and 3D floor plan mode side by side. As you can see, we don't get the LiDAR mesh when we're using the 3D floor plan mode. However, when you're done with your scan, you can go into process and choose your settings for a LiDAR scan, and after that you will actually end up with the same kind of LiDAR model as you would using the space mode. And here I'm making a simple demonstration of the new comments feature that works both in LiDAR meshes and in floor plans. You can simply tap anywhere and write comments and interact with the team members, and this is a very good feature for collaboration obviously. Next I will be showing you here a comparison of the space mode and the 3D floor plan mode once they have been processed. As you can see, there are some differences here between the models and some accuracy issues. I'm not going to go too much into details about that since we've covered that in earlier videos. Polycam also has a new feature which is called the report. It gives you kind of a structured data about the property. Since I'm not using a business account, I'm not able to see or edit the report data. The business account is also a new feature. You get 7 days for free and then it's $1,200 per year. It gives you some ability to show interior measurements, a compass for example, and adjust the wall thickness. The business account also gives you access to scenes where you can create and arrange 3D scans by combining them inside Polycam. So our recommendation is that you use object mode to capture exteriors of buildings wherever possible. For areas that are harder to reach, you can use the environment LiDAR scanning, and this is also our recommendation for indoor scanning. Due to the current state of the automatic scan to CAD process, it's better to use a free open source tool like Blender, or send us your files and we'll help you with the conversion. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.